We're going to get started by getting the background piece of paper ready for your board. Every frame is a little bit different, so measure the inside of the frame from one side to the other, and then trim your paper with a paper cutter. Then we're going to take our glossy accents, apply it to that white background of the board, and then put our paper in. Once you've got your paper inside the frame, then run your hands over it to make sure the glue gets over everything on the back and everything is nice and secure to the back of the board. Next up, we are going to accessorize the paper snowflake cutout. So if you have vinyl, take the vinyl, peel the backing off of it, apply the vinyl onto the snowflake, push it down on the snowflake, and then peel the transfer tape up. If you don't have a customized vinyl, you could always put a nice winter or Christmas sticker on the top of the snowflake. Then we are going to grab the paper snowflake and put it on top of the wooden cutout. Keep turning the snowflake until it fits perfectly. There's only one way that it overlaps nicely. Once you've got it on the right direction, then take your glossy accents, put it between the wooden snowflake and the paper snowflake, and push it all together. If any glossy accents does ooze over the sides, it will dry clear, so you don't have to worry about that being seen. Next, we're going to get the frame ready. So take the stand off of the back of the frame. It does peel off rather easily. Open up your frame and put your 4x4 photo inside. Next, we're going to take our Velcro squares that are self-adhesive on the back, and we're going to put one in each corner of the photo frame. That way we can interchange the photo from year to year. Then we're going to take the frame and place it in the center of our sign. Push it down so it has a nice strong hold. And the last thing we're going to do is lay everything out on the board where we like it. Take the little greenery pieces, glue them down to the background with hot glue. Hold them there for a little bit so you make sure they're secured nice and strong. And then you'll also adhere the snowflake to the bottom right corner of the frame. And then you're ready to display your project.